Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing wonderful. This video is because of the Brave. This video is dedicated to Fisher House and is hosted and co-hosted by two wonderful ladies we'll talk about later on during this video. And so many people are involved in this challenge. In the description box, there is going to be a playlist that you guys can check out all the wonderful ladies involved in this wonderful event. So let's just get started. DIY number one, I'm using American flag napkins that I purchased from Dollar Tree. And I got the cutout from one of the tumblers. And I'm just making the measurement so we can make a wonderful patriotic tumblers so we can drink coffee, tea, whatever you like. And here you go, the coffee tumblers are done in 1 minute. DIY number 2 and 3 are super easy and quick. I have printed out camouflage American flag. And what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna transfer it on a plain black t-shirt with the help of iron. I'm ironing for a good 2-3 minutes until the transfer gets nice and soft on the t-shirt. And here you go, the t-shirt is done. Then for the next, I'm transferring the same printout, smaller size, on a small black hat that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Just ironing softly, just want to make sure it's on. And here you go, all complete. We got a wonderful t-shirt and a hat. I wanted my husband to model it, but he had to work, so he apologized. But I wanted all of you guys to see how nice those two items look. But maybe next time. My video is part of the Patriotic challenge for Fisher House Fundraiser, hosted by Theresa B. DIY and Sammy from Unicorn Does Design. So please, in my description box, it's gonna be their channel and the playlist from all the beautiful ladies who participating in this beautiful fundraiser challenge. DIY number 4. For this creation, I'm using a lot of paint, acrylic paint, fabric paint, whatever I got in hands. I'm mixing them together and I'm putting them on top of a canvas that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna try to create some kind of design. I'm gonna let the paint flow if it works. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna do something else. So here you go, but as you can see, the paint is moving so slow and I don't have no patience for that and no time for that as well. So I'm putting more paint on it and I'm playing like kids in the art school with all those paints. I just want to come up with a red and white colors so it can make look like a flag. And now I'm using the fingers so I can complete all the canvas, and then I'm sprinkle white colors and I'm making some stripes. Then I'm adding some red colors. So as you watch me, you are seeing some kind of mess, but just keep watching. It's not gonna look like this. I'm using a brush. So finally I'm seeing what I like. When all this is done, I'm gonna let it dry for 24 hours. And here you go next day how it looks. Now I'm using a stencil from Dollar Tree so I can use the stars on the corner, and I'm measuring with a pencil where it's gonna be. I'm using a blue paint to paint the corner. While I'm waiting the blue corner to get drier, I'm going to use those USA letters as stencils so I can write my 3 letters with a pencil, and then I can paint them. Painting, it's so much fun. Everybody should try it. It's so relaxing and stress relief. I really enjoyed painting all that. Now we're ready for the stencils. I'm using a white paint and a sponge brush, and I'm going on top of it so we can get our beautiful stars. And here you go. Look how beautiful they came out. I really like it. Now I'm trying to make some design on my letters. I'm putting some stripes on S. And then I'm adding some stars on my A. And some more on my U. And here you go, my beautiful American flag came out beautiful. DIY number 5, we're using some frames, some wooden sticks, some sign, some metal covers from other frames that we use, and we're gonna create a beautiful project out of this. So what I'm doing is those metal covers from one of the previous project, I paint them with acrylic paint, and I paint my sign as well. And now when all that is painted, I'm getting those 2 frames, house looking frames, and I glue them on the corner of the sign, and I cut off those wood sticks 3.5 inches, and I'm trying to create a balcony on each side of this summer gazebo. Now to make it more sturdy, we're putting those wooden sticks on the corners as an axis. Next, I'm painting those galvanized covers that previously I painted in chalk ivory color. I'm painting them red. When all that is done, I'm airbrushing all over my gazebo house, and now I'm seeing how my covers gonna look like a roof. I glue them, and now on top, to look more patriotic, I'm adding some stars from Dollar Tree. And final, I'm adding those metal outdoor patriotic flowers on the corners, and my gazebo is complete to be decorated. DIY number 6. I got this Wi-Fi wooden tag from Dollar Tree, and I'm painting it red all over, and I'm gonna let it dry. When it's all dry, I'm adding these transfer stickers from Dollar Tree and making a nice patriotic tag where it says USA Land of Freedom. Adding a Mod Podge and a stencil to add more stars. And here you go, my sign is done. Quick DIY number 7. I'm using a Dollar Tree scarves, patriotic scarves, and I'm making a pillow. I'm just gluing the corners with a crazy glue, and then when all that is done, I'm gonna fill it out with the stuffing, and my pillow is complete. And here is my final look. We can decorate with this pillow for Memorial Day, 4th of July, beside my patriotic teddy bear that I adore. And look how pretty it looks. And here is the final look for all the items I created today. Here's the t-shirt and the hat. I put a camouflage scarf that I purchased from Dollar Tree. That outfit is for my husband. Here is the USA flag. Here is my summer gazebo. I decorated with 2 American flags. I put some flower and a candle lantern that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I just distressed it with a brown color a little bit and some greeneries on the bottom. The lantern is a little bit crooked because I put it on a display to move around so you guys can see how it looks, and I really like it. I put it on a display outdoor as well so you guys can see how it can look. Here is the pillow, my patriotic teddy bear, my tag sign, USA Land of Freedom. And then I put those signs that I bought from Dollar Tree, stars, the truck, some bows, a lantern, flying lantern. Here is the flag and another USA flag and some gnomies, and everything together looks so patriotic, so amazing, and so red, white, and blue. I really like it. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Thank you all for watching and visiting my channel. Make sure you visit all the beautiful ladies who are participating in this beautiful challenge, and of course the 2 lady host and co-hosts, Theresa and Sammy. And God bless, and do good things, and good things will come back in return.